Ito guys, ang ginawa ni Daddy Ram. Kasi last night, kumain sila ng langka. So ngayon, kakain sila niyan.
Langka seed.
I don't know how many decades
Yeah.
ago I ate. I just want to try it.
That's my favorite actually. But I'm not allowed to eat it anymore because of the allergy. But I really love that one.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you don't really. Okay.
Can just
Yeah.
It's gonna be Ryan's first time.
Maybe for me, my body says it's not that doesn't look that appeasing.
Taste, then you know. The first time in your life. For me, after a few decades.
No?
Hey, look to that.
Okay, throw.
It's nice. Maybe wait. Maybe you like it.
He don't like it, don't force him. Go.
I will tell you the benefits, then you will eat now.
I've tasted worse.
He do oil pulling. It's not worse than that. This one.
That's so yummy, Nana.
I've tasted worse than that. At least I can bear it though.
It's not worse than. Don't say like that. It's worse.
No, I'm telling.
For you.
It's
yeah.
for him, it's okay.
I've tasted more worse.
Like
than
you
this.
don't like something, Daddy,
I
you know?
I know.
What?
I don't.
It's nice, right?
It's nice. After first bite, I remember them.
I'm not sure if I can eat it. I really want to eat it now, but I'm scared.
Maybe the outer fruit only seed, okay? I don't know.
Yeah. Punta sila mama dito, guys. Si mama, si KK, at saka si Bryle. Kasi it's a Sunday. Baka gumala kami mamaya. I think the food fest in City Mall,
No, I thought that.
not there anymore.
Last time we enjoyed.
But there are other places. We'll see later.
We enjoyed the food fest last time.
Yeah. Hala, look at it outside, Daddy. It's a big lizard. Yeah.
The color one, right?
The green color, Nana.
The green color one.
Whoa! Oh, wait 1 second. Oh, why is it so big now?
Last time is full green, right, Ryan?
Yeah.
That's so
Maybe
big.
that's the one you saw like a snake, Nana. That day. You remember?
Oh yeah, that might be it, maybe.
But our neighbors really clean their place. O parang manood sila ng vlog namin.
But it also might be a snake because I saw it slithering. Maybe it's the tail, the back part of the tail.
Yeah. Ay, hindi kita dito.
Oh, that's definitely the one. The tail looks like a snake. Definitely that's the one.
That's the one?
Yeah, I think so.
So you're mistaken it.
Yeah. Well, look at the
Literally it looked like a snake also. But it's a lizard. You want this? We'll get some, okay?
Yeah.
Pili tayo ng bread para kina
So
mama.
fresh.
Yeah, I want this, Daddy. Chocolanay.
Okay. What they like, you know, right?
Yeah. But, you know the twisted bread? Your favorite?
Yeah, that's nice also.
They don't have, but we can get the...
Yeah, I remember, Papa.
Do you want that piyaya? We can get also. But we'll get this. Super fresh. May tumataya, guys. Na-impluensyahan ng ano niya, father-in-law.
Waiting for the video?
What are you waiting for?
Hello. Hi,
Huh?
vlog. Welcome to my guys.
Come on, guys.
Where's KK?
At the back.
Pretty, so can we vlog?
Pretty.
Pretty little baby. Who is this, Ryan? Oy, look at our plants, ma. Tanang mama. Nice, no? Barato raw niya. Dako na siya. Di na siya mamatay. What time is your game, Bryle?
4 p.m.
Come and eat ice cream and pan. Bread. Go inside na. Pasudlan na imong friend, Bryle. Sexy ka si tita, oy. Unsa? Alangan kay mag-vlog ba ya? Bless, Ryan, bless. Bless na.
Very bright abo according to Father Bear.
Yes. Bless properly ba? Ma, mag-bless siya, ma. Wala siya nag-bless properly. Matanawa mauna ami kuan, ma.
Uy,
Diba?
sino ka langka?
Yes.
This one, when I was small. This one, when eat this one. Huh?
They used to eat that one also when they were still
We were still
kids.
young.
Young and poor.
One.
That is a snack because.
Yes, you have you cannot buy.
Yeah, cannot buy
Yeah, yeah.
You're correct.
peanut. Healthy food. Healthy food.
Yeah. No cholesterol.
Yeah, no sugar.
No sugar.
Healthy snack.
Healthy.
Oh,
Yeah,
diba?
I know this one. Kamansi.
Mm.
Kamansi ganito. Yung mga reds. Tawag ka ng mga...
Golden spoon
Kaya
kids.
yung mga anak sa mga...
Just eat the
Blood
snack.
control.
ko ni sa una.
Blood control mga...
The poor baby is different. Nepotism.
Ryan don't like it. Mm.
My mom used to.
4 times.
My mom used to make for us this one when we were kids.
Thank you.
Ito eh.
Try na ako sa una ba?
Ano nagmamanga?
Oh, si Brian daw kay wala daw.
It's just like Aman.
Amon pa.
Siguro kung siya. Kamansi.
Yeah.
Kamansi ito. Kamansi.
Di mo na.
Kanan.
Lami na. Kasi ganahan.
Alan, they don't like that, you know.
Yeah.
No, I mean, they try with them, maybe that's what I'm trying to say. Not in a bad way.
Lamig na kayo.
Yung yang ko iba sa father kay.
Ayan kam.
Pinang lang niya si niya yung prinsesa.
Oh, it's amazing.
Mangga wa yung kaon. Ako yung kaon din.
Ayan, so good. Kam.
Ano ba siya ng mangga?
Di mo ganag mangga. Uy na. Uy, sige na tag mango shake ma.
Wala.
Uy, lamig
Pero
kayo.
sa kanang ice cream.
It's not allowed to have it.
Ayan, the other one is tasty. Dali,
one.
dili na siya init. Need to heat it up. This one, chocolate na yun.
Donut.
Sugar rich.
Kinabay.
Lamig ka, ayan.
Fresh, just not bad.
Yeah.
Yan yan. Matulog.
Taste na na. You don't want too touchy.
2:30 pa?
Someone woke up already. Good sleep.
Yeah.
Everyone having fun upstairs. Yeah. On our way to Korean buffet restaurant.
Indian buffet.
Yes. So Ryan and KK will be happy and excited. Ito Korean restaurant din but long queue. Dito tayo. Dito tayo, Korean town. Mukhang marami ring tao. Ang daming tao. Waiting pa kami ng table. Mukha ng gutom. Gutom na gutom. Gutom. Sana may available na your favorite garlic rice. Happy now? Daming food. See? A lot of things to choose from, Daddy. Ah, si Raya. Sige. Si Daddy Ram ang naging tagaluto. Kasi wala si Bryle dito. Look at Daddy. Huh? Get from there. So crowded.
Yeah.
Spicy. Chicken is good. Salad.
Money. Healthy living.
Living for meat.
Pan ba? Pwede ka kapag yung ano? Ating ang kinong.
You love it, Ryan?
Maybe time.
Na-off na kami. Ano na di pa Great guys. Ready na siya, okay? Wala pa. Pwede na kuha on. Lami? Careful, okay? Please. It's hot, right? That's why. It's yummy, Daddy Ram.
Ay, don't feel.
Don't feel daw. Oh, beef yan. Gustong-gusto niya. Simot sarap. Oh, boss. How is it, Ma?
Yes.
Very yummy.
Very yummy.
Rating out of 10.
9.
You, Ryan, out of 10. Your rating. Dito nila.
Good. Nice.
Bye.
Mmm.
Say hi to Lolo Bear. Lolo Bear. Bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Basta pa to. Kasi tignan siya mag-drive. Kahilas. Ulubi daw kan.
Tudluan daw sa Nikuan Ram mag-drive.
What is this?
Kinsa?
Yeah, when I come to Banabo, we'll go.
Lolo, excited. Kontrabido.
Tell Dad I'm not going to teach you. It's okay.
Not Braille.
Bye, guys.
Oy, bye na mo. Hey, bye-bye. And the driver is still here.
Bye.
Bye.
Nagpunta rin kami sa Bangkerohan, guys. And we got some vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yes, coriander, spinach, and garlic. Put it there, Nana. Garlic, onions, chilies, upo, Ryan's favorite. Remove the plastic. Meron din tayong patatas. What's that?
Seki.
What is this called? I forgot.
Tula.
Patola. Very good. Mas alam pa niya. Some potatoes and avocados. Hindi na kami bumili ng mga fruits. Dito na lang. Kasi may suki si Ram. And then, yung binili ni Ram para kay mama ay lang. Langka. Putting some tissue.
Because there's moisture there, the tissue can also.
Had fun, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
So happy, right?
Yes,
Especially
ma'am.
Ryan enjoyed so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, why you did not eat the noodles?
My stomach, because my stomach was gonna explode. And if I bought, I wouldn't even be able to finish. See, that time, even if we got one, it would take all of us to finish it.
Yeah.
But it is so good, the barbecue.
You wanna go there again?
Yahoo! But this time, I also want to taste the ramen. Because I
Okay.
never tasted the ramen.
Ryan paid 100 of it.
Yeah.
When I eat more than you guys.
Yeah. Ang mura lang doon, per person, 299. Then si Ryan, 100 lang. And Ryan ate so much.
Yes! I got maybe like this much. 3 servings, like this much garlic rice.
How many times you went to the garlic rice
3.
station?
And I have no idea how many times I eat the barbecue pork, but it is so good.
You're not visible. You really need to lay down like that. For that expression. Korean town pala yun ang tawag sa lugar na yun, guys. Kaya, ang daming Korean restaurant. There was one restaurant yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Mas maraming tao, pero small restaurant only, right, Daddy? Pero grabe, ang daming tao. Siguro masarap doon. Next time we'll try. But the problem is such a long queue and such a small place.
Very long queue, that's one.
Yung pinuntahan namin,
Actually,
malaki.
that one is as big as that one,
Mm.
then yeah, more it will be less cube, but that one's small.
Pero mahaba din ang pila doon sa pinuntahan
That one has
namin.
a good name.
Maybe. It took us siguro mga 15 minutes din para maghintay ng table. And it's a Sunday, imagine kung ano, Friday or Saturday. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Must be more busy and mas
Unless you are not early.
We were actually early, not really that late.
No, I mean weekend. Yes, weekend.
Sabi namin, it's okay. Sunday, not many people. Actually, right time lang yung pagpunta namin.
California.
We can actually go a little bit earlier. Right? But we feel like we're still full. So siguro pag medyo ano na.
Still early.
Medyo gutom-gutom na. It's okay. Enjoy yung kain salo-salo. Especially, I was surprised na si Daddy Ram talagang nagustuhan niya yung pagkain. Si Ryan, expected na yun na mag-i-enjoy siya. Main reason na nagpunta kami doon si KK at si Ryan talaga kasi gusto nila ng mga Korean food, di ba? So tomorrow we will cook spinach lentils.
Yes.
Ryan always ask. Right?
Parents it's always. But it's difficult to get.
Only in bangkeruhan. But once you buy, you need to cook immediately or else it's gonna spoil.
Yeah.
So, talagang the next day, mas fresh yung ano, spinach. And it's good na ano, kain din ng green leafy vegetables. Still have a lot of energy, Nana?
Of course. What made you think that I don't have energy?
All the fuel you need to burn, right? So much fuel inside.
But the fuel is filled to the brim. And
Okay, say goodnight to guys. Bye guys!
bye guys! Like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye! See you.